Some people say that we eat to live, but some people say that we live to eat. It's not always sunshine for us. So today I'm gonna talk about diet optimization of Dominos Pizza Menu using linear programming. This is my groupmate. Introduction. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet is the habit of choosing food that include various food groups in amounts appropriate to the needs of various important functions of the body. There are various benefits that can be obtained if we practice a balanced diet. Among them is that balanced diet will be able to supply body with enough nutrients while maintaining our health. Then we're gonna go to fast food. What is fast food? Is it fast? Is it run? Okay, to save time, many people choose to buy fast food rather than choosing to cook at home because it is easy. But most people suffer from nutritional problems due to the proliferation of fast food stores that serve food quickly without having to wait long. So it's easy to get and fast. Like pizza. Problem statement. There are people who have health problems, especially in the intake of balanced diet that leads to obesity. Linear programming can be used to solve questions on matching diets to nutritional and other additional constraints with a minimum number of changes. Project objective. What is our project objective? To find out which meal is the cheapest and contain most nutrients for typical daily consumption among persons aged 19 and up. Project significance. What is our significance doing this project? To help people managing their diet. Is the main reason. And money. That is our significant. Okay, literature review. What are you gonna see? Okay. Linear programming on diet problem. Linear programming is the general method to solve maximization and minimization problem said by Akpan and Ewok in 2016. It helps in maximization and minimization. That is the general. Linear programming began to be used in studies. In 1950 and 1960, we stated by Jerry Cornfield, we sought to find a low-cost diet that can satisfy nutritional need of a soldier. Healthy lifestyle. The true definition of balanced diet is food that provide your body with the nutrients it's required to function properly. However, according to National Health and Mobility Survey 2018, 50.1% of adults are overweight or obese, 30.4% overweight, and 19.7% obese. 92.6% of adults have abdominal obesity, which means they are generally large in size and body.
LP solver. The LP model for our project is solved by using the Excel solver. Before that, a soft reminder to make sure that solver option here has been included to solve the LP model. If this button is not appear, you can go to File, choose Option, Add-ins, and you can add in solver. Okay, next, the button solver will appear here at Data option. Okay, as you can see here, the data was collected from our 30th respondent. Back to our objective, we want to find the minimum cost of the meal with the most nutrient intake for typical daily consumption among person aged 19 and above. Okay, first, we need to let the intake amount of food serving for every menu equals to 1. Next, to solve this LP model, we need to build a new table that sum up every nutrient and cost for every menu. Okay, to sum up or multiply, we can use the formula from editing option in Excel. As you can see here, we can formulate this to sum up every menu and cost. Then we have a new table that have total every nutrients and cost. Therefore, the total cost of daily intake is RM133.44. Okay, next we need to click the solver button. And then click the total cost of daily intake and choose minimum to set the objective. And then by changing variable cell, click here and select the intake amount of food serving. Okay, then to subject the constraint, we click add button. For cell reference, we select the recommended daily intake. Okay, then check this equal button. And for constraint, we select actual intake. And then click OK. And next, click solve. And then click OK. Therefore, we can see the soft LP model recommended to take 3 spicy sausage pizza and half roasted chicken drumettes or 5 pieces and 1 7-Up bottle with the minimum cost RM76.70.
Next is results and discussion. Based on the survey answers given by respondent 30, we solved the mathematical problems of linear programming by using Excel solver. Next is Dominos meal and contains the most nutrient for typical daily consumption for breakfast, lunch and dinner among persons aged 19 and up. This is the data cheapest Dominos meal and contains the most nutrient for daily taken. The first menu is spicy sausage pizza with the amount of 3. The price is RM56.97. And the next table is all the nutrient contain calories, carbs, fat and proteins. The next is roasted chicken drumettes with a half of 5 of 10 pieces, RM9.90, and that is the list of the calories, carbs, fat and proteins. The last one is 7-Up bottle with amount of 1. The price is RM9.74, and the nutrients contain calorie, carbs, no fat, 0 fat and 0 protein. Based on our study after solve the linear programming problem by using Excel solver, it showed that the cheapest Dominos meal and contains the most nutrient for typical daily consumption for breakfast, lunch and dinner among persons aged 19 and up. And the last one, 3 spicy sausage pizza, 5 pieces roasted chicken drumettes and a 7-Up bottle with minimized price, RM76.70.
Conclusion. It is crucial to have meals in accordance with the daily recommended nutrient consumption. According to the report, many respondents chose the menu without thinking about the cost or the nutritional value of each dish. Therefore, we employ the LP model to assist customers in selecting the Dominos Pizza meal that is both the cheapest and most nutrient-dense for regular intake at breakfast, lunch and dinner. Only the diets best suited for Dominos Pizza were found through this research. Different menu options and prices can be found at other restaurants. As a result, a separate study can be conducted using similar techniques. Thank you.